In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Mailerlite. To get started, log into your Mailerlite account and head to the main dashboard. This is where you'll manage your email marketing assets, including forms, campaigns, and of course landing pages. From the left-hand menu, click on Sites, then open the Landing Pages tab. This section is specifically designed for creating standalone pages that help you capture leads, promote offers, or collect subscribers without needing a full website. Next, click New Site or create new landing page to begin. Mailerlite will ask you to enter an internal name for your landing page. This name is mainly for your own organization, so choose something clear and easy to recognize later. Once that's done, click Save and Continue. After that, choose the subscriber group where new signups from this landing page should be added. This is an important step because it keeps your contacts organized and makes it easier to send the right emails to the right audience. When you've selected the correct group, click Continue. Now it's time to choose how you want to build the page. You can build with AI, start from scratch, or pick one of Mailerlite's ready-made templates. If you want speed, a template is a great option. If you want full control, starting from scratch may be the better choice. Once you're inside the editor, customize your landing page using Mailerlite's drag and drop tools. You can add and edit headings, text, images, buttons, sign-up forms, videos, testimonials, and other content blocks. Focus on keeping the layout clean and easy to follow so visitors quickly understand what the page is about. Be sure to add a sign-up form so you can collect visitor details like a name and email address. Double check that the form is connected to the correct subscriber group so new contacts are stored properly. Then adjust the overall design of the page. Update fonts, colors, spacing, backgrounds, and other visual settings to match your brand. It's also a good idea to preview the page on different screen sizes so it looks great on both desktop and mobile. Next, open the page settings and configure the page URL or domain, favicon, SEO settings, social sharing settings, and any analytics or custom code if needed. These settings help improve professionalism, tracking, and discoverability. Before publishing, preview and test everything carefully. Click through all buttons and links, then submit the sign-up form with a test email to make sure the contact goes into the right group. When everything looks good, click Save and Publish. Choose a Mailerlite domain or connect your own custom domain.